Physical security solutions, provided by TRS Consulting and Solutions, your trusted technology solutions provider, serving the greater Cincinnati area, specializing in network, phone, internet, camera security, access control, digital signage, and more. Our camera systems provide breathtaking 4K image quality with impressive dynamic range and feature smart, AI-enhanced interface. All cameras feature an inspirational industrial design with high-performance optics and advanced video analytics in a durable yet elegant enclosure, and work with versatile mounting options for ceilings, walls, corners, poles, and conduits. The industry-leading mobile app offers powerful features and thoughtful design that eliminates the learning curve. All of our solutions include a variety of constantly evolving set of AI-centric features that keep your organization safe. Motion detection, person detection, vehicle detection, license plate recognition, facial recognition, smoke alarm detection, motion zones, privacy zones, and crossing lines. Contact us for any of your technology needs. We're always glad to help.